Have you heard the term junk journal? This is my junk journal. And yes, it's a glorified sticker book, but I love it and I want to show you how I do this, and I want to share some of the products that I do it with. These are all washi tape stickers. So here are just some of them that I've purchased, and I keep in this little bag here, but this is one of my favorites. And the beautiful stickers here are just amazing. This is like something I would have loved as a child, so this is why I love it now. So let's see what they sent me. This is all one set, and I will have everything ready for you guys to be able to look up yourself, okay? But this right here are lace stickers, and I think they're so pretty. Look at that. So beautiful. I'm going to show you what we can do with that. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me go get a piece of paper. Hold on. Okay, those are beautiful. I love them. These are going to be amazing on the spread that we're going to do. And what I love is this comes in a set, and guys, you get a lot of tape on these. So these are going to last you quite a while. That's one of the reasons why I love this particular brand. And then you have all these beautiful stickers. And if you take, I like to take these. Again, beautiful. And then you've got all these beautiful stickers, and there's just so much to do with it. It's going to be so much fun. I'm not going to put this on the white because you won't be able to see it, but if you put it here, you can. Isn't that beautiful? The lace set, you get all 5 of these. This is a must get for this. I mean, seriously, if you love scrapbooking, journaling, get this. You're going to love it. The Washi Tape Shop sent me so many rolls, and it's so much fun to kind of look at all the different designs. I love this kind of Victorian lace theme on this roll, and I just wanted to share this with you. Now, will I use all of these rolls today? No. But will I use them? Yes, eventually, because this is one of those crafts that really help me kind of relax mentally and physically, and I just sit and I get lost in the creativity of it all. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to share how doing something a little outside of our norm, which would be junk journaling, scrapbooking, this isn't a wreath, but making something outside of what we normally do can really be almost therapeutic for you. And I wanted to share all these beautiful rolls of tape. Now, listen, this will last you a long time. I'm just going to tell you, I have a discount code for you, but these tapes will last such a long time. So they really hold their value, if that makes any sense. But I want to share how I'm going to use just a few of these on our spread here. I love to have make little town scenes, and I have book after book after book of junk journaling, and I've never shared it with you. I'm gonna share it today, so I'm really excited to share it with you. Okay, step 1, we're gonna kind of choose a theme, and these lace tapes were they got me instantly. So I knew I wanted to use these. So what we're going to do is we are going to lay them on the inside of the bind of your notebook. Now, if you notice, this notebook has little dots. It's one of those dotted journals, and in this particular way to make this, I'm going to be able to use this in such a way that those dots are going to come in really handy here. So you're just going to cut off the excess, and I want you to put a strip of the same tape on the opposite side of this paper. You're going to see it here in a moment, but I'm going to go get something a little unusual, and we're going to use this tool next. So I'm going to get out one of these die cuts that I have, and this is something I use with a die cutting machine, but I really wanted to add some shapes. And so if you look at this, I'm adding them in the middle, and I'm counting the little dots to make sure we have the same on each side here. And then I'm going to just trace it with a nice black marker. Now, I learned this method by watching the Washi Tape Shop social media. And thank you, Washi Tape Shop. You guys have a wonderful way of kind of helping us use the stickers in a way that we never would do it. So I added two extra little kind of half circles, and I just kind of created this kind of framework. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start with this particular roll. We're going to use like 3 different rolls of our stickers today, and we're going to work in sections. And one of the things that I like to do, that if you look very closely, we're going to keep everything in the box, okay? So if a leaf or a limb or a branch in this case is kind of going outside of that box, like it was on the lace and up here, it goes on the top, it goes outside of our traced in part. I'm just going to take a little like X-Acto knife and I'm going to trace that off, and we're going to remove those pieces. Now, again, this would be really cool if you wanted to add some journaling into this. This would be really a nice venue to do that, because you could add some stickers in some of these kind of little frames that we've made, and then you could write. And the nice thing is we've got the little dotted journal, and you could still keep everything really straight. So if you are somebody who really loves to kind of take their time and just you want to create, and if you've not tried this, this is so therapeutic. I just cannot tell you. So again, I'm going a little bit faster here, but you can see that we're just adding things here and there. Now, there are some of the stickers where you're going to have to cut out the pieces, and that's okay. I do this all the time. I took a little quote here and I'm adding it to that hat. That hat is so cute. I loved it. And then we're going to add like a little frame here, but there are no rules. This is what is so much fun about junk journaling. There's no rules. You do what you want. Now, there's people that do junk journaling and they collect like mementos. They go out of town and they go do an activity on vacation, and so they'll collect little mementos, ticket stubs, and stuff like that. And you could add this to one of these spreads. That's kind of like why I like this. There is no rules. You can do what you want. If you want to do Christmas theme, you could do Christmas or any holiday or certain time of year. And I feel like this is just one of those things that helps me calm down. And I wanted to share it with you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any questions, let's have a conversation down in the comment section. And remember, the Washi Tape Shop gave me a coupon code for you. It's Julie10 off your order. So I'm going to have everything linked down in the description box for you to check out. Here is where we're going to add layers to our spread. I simply take a cutting sheet or a cutting board that I put underneath, and we are going to use those templates that we made, and we're going to cut out the excess, okay? And this is where we're just going to be able to add a little bit of dimension. If you love this video, if you want more of this video, will you tell me that in the comments? I know this isn't our normal type of crafting, but if you love it, I want to teach it, okay? So just let me know down in the comments, and I hope this is so much fun for you to watch and to learn. So we're going to cut out each side, and I'm going to show you the next part right here. So I wanted to add a little bit more dimension to this. So as you can see, we have our 2 pieces of paper, and it's already giving you that 3D effect, right? But what we're going to do is we are going to take a little bit of ink, and we're just going to kind of softly go over the edges of that paper. And what that's going to do is it's really going to pop off of our spread here, and it's just going to make it a little bit more vintagey, because these stickers have more of a vintage feel, and I really love, that's kind of my particular love, is the vintage, is the cottage core, maybe just a lot of floral. But listen, there is everything that you can imagine under the sun, and the Washi Tape Shop has everything. And again, you can find so many things and so many great tapes to get. So again, make sure to check out their shop and tell them thank you in the comments, guys. Let them know how much you appreciate kind of introducing this new crafting technique with you. I just can't get over how much this has brought me joy. The last little touch here is we're going to add lace tape to both sides of our second page of our journal, all right? And then I'm going to use this double-sided, it's like a 3D tape, and I do pick it up at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if the Washi Tape Shop has something like this, but this is super helpful for junk journaling and just bringing a little bit more dimension to your project. Again, I hope that you love this video, and if you want to see more of it, let me know in the comments. And Washi Tape Shop, thank you for sending me all these beautiful tapes. I love them. I adore them. And I hope you guys enjoy this too. I hope this like opens a little door or a window into what's possible. And let's craft some more. Make sure you're following me here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the follow, like, share, notification about all of the things. And we'll see you next time here in Julie's Wreath Boutique. Bye-bye.